pursuant to Article 155 of the Constitution of the Republic of
Honorable,
Uganda.
can I interrupt you a little bit? Thank you. I'm sorry. But the Minister for Agriculture has come. I don't need to keep this matter pending. Honorable Minister, you promised to bring us regulations for the aquaculture, fisheries and aquaculture law. So, what happened?
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, we have done regional consultations, and we are now left with Lake Yoga, and the report will be put together to hand to Solicitor General.
So how much time do you need, Honorable Minister, from your observation?
We need 2 months again, Right Honorable Speaker.
Yeah, but you see, Honorable colleagues, it does not help for a minister to say, I need 2 months, and then we say, no, go doing, and it's a consultative process. And one of the advantages of me sitting in cabinet was knowing how ministers struggle to get space on the cabinet agenda. So since she has asked for 2 months, let's grant the 2 months, but we know that's our deal with the Honourable Minister. So that we don't come back here, we rotate on this issue. You made us pass a law, okay? It was your law. We just need your own regulations to implement your law. Okay, Honourable Minister?
Most obliged, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. So, Honourable Minister for Finance, kindly resume.
Right Honorable Speaker, pursuant to Article 155 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and Section 13 of the Public Finance Management Act 2015, Cap 171, and Rule 148 and 149 of the Rules of Procedure of Parliament, I beg to move a motion for approval of the annual budget for financial year 2025-2026. I beg to move, Right Honorable Speaker.
Is the motion seconded? Chair Finance Committee, Honorable. What you people? Now, how do I allow on a question on this? These questions for motions are very clear. Okay, procedure can come after. Honorable Guzuri is also supporting the motion. Honorable Emmanuel Honorable Mpindi, Honorable Government Chief Whip, Honorable Kaberuka, Honorable Bahati, Honorable Nifa, Honorable Florence Akiki, Tinge, Honorable Chayo, Honorable Angura, Areper, majority of the House. Honorable Minister, would you love to speak to your motion in brief? Now, since the Minister is going to speak to his motion, okay, can we allow him, and then you bring your procedure matter? Yes,
Right Honourable Speaker.
Yes.
When everything goes on, then it will be meaningless for me to stand up again.
Please, Honourable.
Right Honourable Speaker, normally when we are at this stage, we deal with reports from reports on ministerial settlement from the different sectors. But I'm surprised about this motion, the way it is crafted. At this stage, I don't know whether we are proceeding well, Right Honourable Speaker, whether the right motion now is that one, because normally we would have reports on budget estimates, on ministerial policy settlements. Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker.
Now, Honourable colleagues, budgeting is a process, okay? So this motion will take us through the process of receiving reports from committees. Otherwise, now each committee would need to move its motion, okay? So this is how we always handle ministerial policy statements. We receive this motion from the minister, and then we receive all until we conclude with the budgeting process. Till we go, he moves a new motion for committee of supply and all that, and we conclude with the process.